Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can filter numbers between two values in Excel. So use this method to hide all rows that don't fall within your range. So first you need to select your column header and then click on the data on the top ribbon and click on this filter icon. And then you need to click the filter drop down arrow on your desired column header. For example, I'll be selecting column C. Click on that and then click on the column filters and then click on the between. And now you enter your lower and upper limits values. For example, the lower limit you want to select from the column C is the 147 and the maximum value is the 156, and then you need to click OK to proceed. So here you can see that the filter numbers between two values in Excel. It is between 147 till 156. You can go to the home and select it like this one so you can remember it. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can filter numbers between two values in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.